Welcome to the in front of me Nokia G21, and I'll show you how to mute ringtone on this device. So let's first launch the settings application, and after that tap on the sound section. After that, here you'll see a ring and notification volume panel, and just to mute your device ringtone you should swipe the S dot to the left side with your finger. And also we have the second way how we can do that. Just first press up or down volume button of your device here on the right side of your phone, and then click here on this settings icon, and after that just by the same way swipe. Okay, once again swipe just to the left side, that's blue dot, and then just click here to done to save the changes. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.